There are a couple of things to think about when buying for a 2-year-old. I'll tell you all about it coming up. Hi all, I'm Holly McLean, the Mommy Answer Lady, and I am all about helping moms stop struggling. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to learn more about how to have well-behaved and happy children without struggling, and to know when I go live to answer your questions. So what makes a good gift for a 2-year-old? 2-year-olds really start to take off in the physical activity category by learning to run, jump, climb, and generally move around well on their own. They are extremely curious and their motor skills are becoming more and more fine-tuned. So taking that into consideration, good gifts for 2-year-olds will, number one, help them discover the power that they have in their own hands with toys that motivate them to fine-tune their motor skills even more. And two, they will help the child become more independent so that they are able to start to take care of themselves, giving them a feeling of accomplishment and individuality. Now, the first one, this is the Mella Children's Alarm Clock Trainer. This is the absolute best gift for both the child and the parents of 1 or 2-year-olds, and that's why this is on both of my 1 and 2-year-old best gifts lists. The clock isn't just an alarm clock, but it uses facial expressions, light, color, and sound to let the child know when it's time to sleep, when it's almost time to get up, and when they can get out of bed. Children enjoy being able to know when it is appropriate to get out of bed in the morning because they want to do it themselves, right? And this will help them know if they should stay in their room and play quietly if they wake up early, and when they can really get up and see mom and dad. Perfect gift that will benefit the whole family. Number 2 is Play-Doh. Nothing uses motor skills and creativity for a 2-year-old any better than the old staple Play-Doh. What I love about this set, though, is it doesn't only give them lots of Play-Doh colors, but it also encourages them to think about and use letters and numbers. This accomplishes 3 things in one toy: motor skills practice, creativity, and literacy. Love it. And you know the child will too. Number 3 is a bath letters set. These kinds of bath toys came out when my children were little, and I can tell you they were played at with every bath. The kids love them, and they encourage them to spell out words, and while they were soaking in the tub. This particular set also has animals to go with each letter, which is really fun, and a way for them to learn the names of the animals as well. Great gift that will be used for years. Number 4 is the Children's Factory Climb and Play set. This option is a little more pricey, but it can make a rainy day a much happier time for a family with a 2-year-old. They can basically create their own playground, which can look different each time they use it. It motivates them to climb and jump in safety and create their own play world. When moms and dads have a little toddler that needs to get out some energy, this is a great set to have. The 2-year-old and everyone around them will love it. Number 5 is a house cleaning set. Remember, a 2-year-old wants to feel like they are more independent and beginning to really contribute to the world around them. This toy can encourage them to be a part of taking care of their surroundings by working alongside mom or dad as they clean up around the house. Regular size brooms, mops, and other items just don't work well in the hands of little toddlers. So this gift will be something that will excite and uplift the child as they learn to be a productive part of the family. Number 6 is a finger puppet set. I love this set. What's great about it is it not only encourages a child to imagine stories and act them out, but it also has so many different characters that can be used with many books to motivate a child to act out the story as it's being read. That is super fun and interesting. And this gift is unlikely to be something they already have. The set includes people and animals, so check it out. Number 7 is a wooden name puzzle. This is a personalized gift that will teach them something they will definitely need to know for the rest of their life. It makes a game out of learning to spell their name, and it looks great in the room too. So after they get a little older and they don't need the puzzle anymore, the letters can be glued in place and it can be hung on the wall. It's a great gift that will be used and enjoyed for years to come. Number 8 is a red Ryder Trike. Okay, maybe I just love the classics, but this tricycle is the best. I had a red Ryder tricycle. I think my dad and mom did. I think their mom and dad did. And my kids had one. And this company is still going. They make great bicycle products for people of all ages. And a 2-year-old will need to get started on learning how to go outside and use a human-powered vehicle sometime. This is the perfect way to start. And it makes a terrific gift. Number 9 is the Mighty Mini Band wooden percussion instrument. Just looking at this toy makes me want to play with it. I know anyone who gets it, child or not, will want to also. It will encourage the child to listen and learn about how sounds happen in the percussion world, and they will want to use it over and over again. Of course, you might want to wrap a little gift of earplugs for mom and dad if you get this gift. Number 10 is the Learning to Dress book. I absolutely love this book. What I like about it is that each of the activities is made large enough for a child to really get started learning how to snap, button, tie, lace, buckle, and zip in a way that will make it as easy as possible. It's a good activity for mom and dad to do with a child until they learn, and then take the book in the car and they can practice their new skills. It is a perfect gift for a 2-year-old. So there you have it, the top 10 gifts for a 2-year-old. Remember, you can find all these gifts in the links below and at my website under Favorite Things at mommyanswerlady.com. Before you go, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to know when I put out new videos and when I go live to answer your questions. See you next time.